Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install XPI file, that is also called as add-on or extension for the Firefox, into Firefox. So the add-on and then click on extensions and then just again go to that particular XPI file and then drag and drop onto the extensions, and then it will automatically install that particular XPI file in the Firefox. It is saying will be installed after you restart your Firefox. So I'm gonna restart my Firefox now, and then that file Selenium ID plugin or extension should be installed in my Firefox now. So Firefox is up again, and you can see Selenium ID is installed, and the shortcut icon is also created over there. So this is how we can add or install the XPI file in Firefox. If you like this video, you can just thumbs up. Thank you.